In this video, I'm going to show you how to create this really awesome animated gradient text effect right inside of Adobe Premiere Pro. So let's begin. So we first want to begin by creating our title. So we'll go File, New, Legacy Title, and we'll press OK on this window here. And now from here, you just want to type out a word of your choice. So select anywhere in this black video and type out the word of your choice. I'm going to do Brooker. I'm going to change the font. I'm going to change the weight of this. I'm going to change the size. I'm going to add a little bit of kerning, and then we'll just center this up using these two buttons here. Now, once you're happy with the look of your text, we can exit the legacy title window and we can drag our title onto our sequence. So we'll drop that onto video layer 1, and I'm just going to increase the duration of this to about 10 seconds. There we go. Perfect. So we've created our text. Now we need to create the gradient animation. So for this, we're going to go over to Effects. We're going to go into the search bar and search for ramp. That is going to load up ramp in the generate folder, and we're going to drop ramp onto our title. There we go. And as you can see, we've got ramp, and we've got start of ramp, end of ramp, and then we've got the start and end colors. So I'm going to go to start of ramp, and I'm going to pull that over to the left. Now we'll go down to end of ramp, and we'll move the position of that over to the right. Now we can go into start color, and we can select a color of your choice. So I'm going to select a nice aqua blue, and then we'll go to the end color. We'll select the white box, and we'll change this to another color. So we'll select pink in this example. And as you can see, we've got blue gradient into pink. That's a really nice transition. But if we play this back, there's nothing happening. We've just got this ramp gradient effect on our text, but there's no animation. So this is where we can go ahead and start animating. So we'll just bring the cursor back to the very beginning, so it should be at 0 seconds. We'll select start of ramp, and we'll select this stopwatch icon here. And then we'll also do the same for end of ramp. So we'll select this stopwatch icon here. And then we can just move over towards the end of the clip, go to start of ramp again, and we can just change the position of this start of ramp and move it wherever you would like to move it. So I'm just going to move this over to the right, and then we'll go to end of ramp, and we'll move this to another position as well. So I'm going to do the opposite. I'm going to move that down to the bottom left. Now, as you can see, if we scrub through, we've got this animation taking place. So let's just play that back from the very beginning. And there you go. We've got this really subtle gradient text effect. Of course, though, if you wanted to make it less subtle, then you can just decrease the gap between the keyframes. So we'll select those two end frames. We'll pull them closer to the first frames. And then that's going to be a lot quicker. Of course, though, we also have the ramp shape. Now, this is going to slightly change the look of the gradient. So if you go into ramp shape and select linear ramp, we've also got linear ramp and radial ramp. So we'll select radial ramp. And as you can see, if we play this back, that's going to look a little bit different to the example before. Now, if you just want to keep this looping over and over again, then I would suggest copying those first keyframes on the start of ramp and end of ramp. So we'll select that and go Command C or Control C if you're on Windows. We'll move over a few seconds, Command V. Select the second set of keyframes, we'll move over again, Command C, Command V. And there you go. That gradient is just going to keep animating for that entire 10 seconds. And there you go. That is how you make an animated gradient text effect right inside of Adobe Premiere Pro. Thank you for watching.